Hi, good afternoon, good morning, or good evening wherever you are watching this video. So right now, nandito kami sa Quezon City. Kasi isang subdivision, exclusive subdivision sa Quezon City. So, ito si Ma'am Christine. I just want to ask her, ano yung masasabi niya bakit siya nag-invest dito sa medical device from Japan? Ma'am Christine, bakit kayo bumili nito?
Alright, actually, first for some children, but for the family, of course, we wanted to drink safe, clean water.
Yes.
Yes, and ayaw na po namin kasi bumili rin ng mga yung sa water refilling because we noticed na medyo madumi. And then yung bottles po nila, it's not clean. So, yung gusto po talaga is convenience yung water for the family.
Correct. So, do you think worth it yung pag-invest mo nitong
Yes,
device
opo.
na to?
Worth it. Kasi actually, nirefer po siya ng friend ko. He's been using Kangen, this machine also for more than almost siguro 10 years na.
Oh.
So, highly recommended po talaga. So, that's why nag-decide kami to purchase this kind of book.
So, pwede mo rin ba itong if ever recommend sa mga friends, colleagues,
Of course,
relatives?
opo. Yeah.
na
Actually, we're
maganda?
planning pa nga po to get another
Wow.
unit. Yeah, siguro mga sometime December.
Wow. Ayun. So, kung wala pa po unit sa inyong bahay, sa inyong office, pwede na sa office to para yung mga employees nyo, healthy din yung iniinom nilang tubig at magiging productive sila. Just like yung mga kasambahay nyo, mga minamahal nyo, mga kasambahay. Eh, makakainom na rin itong healthy water. So, kung wala po kayo yan, I will put a link there in the video so that you can visit. Thank you and God bless. Thank you, Ma'am Christine.